Welcome to Meets Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard for your dead bird eye protection. Let's drill some holes. Join me in making this awesome beer mug. So I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. My dovetails. I did not think that I was going to be making a technique. I'm Caleb with Means Woodshop, and today we're going to make this neat little cat food table. It's their little dining table, and my cats only get the best, so they get theirs made out of cherry wood. So let's check it out. I went to my hardwood dealer, and I got this board of cherry. Where's that light coming from? But I got this board of cherry. I don't like the light shining. Only the best for my cats. So this is how I'm going to figure out what the length of the table needs to be, just by roughly seeing how far apart I want these, and I think that looks good. The balls are going to be inset, so they'll lay flush with the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay them out about where they look even. Measure what that distance is. So I'll just transfer that distance to the inside of my circles. Which I'm gonna clean those up, but before I clean those up, I'm gonna go ahead and round over the edges with a small round over bit. So I've drawn a shape on here of a cat head. That's going to be the side of my table. Alright, I got my cat heads cut out, and man, that was not very much fun. These are going to be my legs, and that is not, those points on the ears are not going to make a very good connection to the tabletop. Chins and ears shaved, now it's nice and as sturdy as it could get. Well, I'm gonna do a decorative trim around the top of their dining table because my cats are getting cherry, so they might as well get something more fancy. So I put a Roman Oji bit in there. I always start with the end grain because it'll probably tear out here on the sides, and you can just go over that when you go and do the sides. Alright, now I'm going to attach my legs, and I'm going to do that with glue and the pocket screws that we made. Oh, this will be sped up so fast.
So anything we say right now just is going to turn into chipmunk?
Yeah.
So we can say anything.
You could.
Booty shorts.
Spray lacquer as usual. Oh man, that's a hard spot to get. I don't think about this kind of stuff.
That's not the Means Woodshop way.
Means Woodshop way is to do it and then regret my decisions later. Alright, a couple more coats of that and it'll be good to go. And it's good to go. Now let's see if they want to use it. It's yours. Junior seems kind of scared of it. Oh, there he goes. This was a one-day build. It was really easy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be nice if you subscribe to the channel too, because I have new woodworking projects every week. You hit that little notification bell too, and you'll get notified every time I upload a new project video. So that's it. I will see you next time.